Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for mathematics, class 4th, chapter 1, measures of time. This is our lecture number 2. Topics to be covered: time in clock, exercise 1A, page 6. Now beta, our first given topic is time in clock. Okay, and I will teach you this concept with the help of these clocks. Here 4 clocks are given. Okay, you have to read the time shown in the given clocks. Okay, see here in this clock, beta, इस क्लॉक में 3 हैंड्स मेंशन किए गए हैं, आर हैंड, मिनट हैंड एंड सेकंड हैंड. Okay, hour hand is between 5 and 6 and minute hand is at 4. 4 means 4 5 the 20, and here second hand is at 8. 8 means 8 5 the 40. So time is read as 5 hours 20 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, so here time is written 5 hours 20 minutes 40 seconds. Clear? See here in this clock, our hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 3. 3 means 3 5 the 15 and second hand is at 7. 7 means 7 5 the 35. So time is read as 1 hour 15 minutes 35 seconds. So see here, time is written 1 hour 15 minutes 35 seconds. Clear? See here in this clock beta, our hour hand is between 9 and 10 and minute hand is at 9. 9 means 9 5 the 45. Okay, and second hand is at 4. 4 means 4 5 the 20. So time is read as 9 hours 45 minutes 20 seconds. Clear? See here in this clock beta, our hour hand is at 11, minute hand is at 1. 1 means 1 5 the 5 and second hand is at 6. 6 means 6 5 the 30. So time is read as 11 hours 5 minutes 30 seconds. Clear? Understood beta? Now beta, we will solve exercise 1A in maths book. Question number 1. Write the time shown by each clock. Okay, see here in part A beta, this clock is given. Okay, आपको इस clock का time लिखना है. What is time here in this given clock? Clear beta? See here in this given clock, hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 6. 6 means 6 5 the 30. Okay, and our second hand, ये आपका second hand है. Second hand is between 9 and 10. Okay, at the third division point. Okay, अगर हमारा second hand 9 पर होता तो 9 5 द 45. ओके, तो सेकेंड हैंड का आपका टाइम क्या होता 45. बट हियर आर सेकेंड हैंड इज बिटवीन 9 and 10 एट द थर्ड डिवीजन पॉइंट. तो आप इसको कैसे रीड करोगे बेटा? 9 5 द 45. तो जैसे कि ये क्या है, थर्ड डिवीजन पॉइंट पर है, तो आप इसको कैसे रीड करोगे? 45 के बाद 46, 47, 48. तो हमारा सेकंड हैंड का टाइम क्या हुआ? 48. सो टाइम इज रेड एज 1 hour 30 minutes 48 seconds. Clear? Understood? In part B, this clock is given. Our hour hand is between 8 and 9. Minute hand is at 4. 4 means 4 5 the 20. Okay. Second hand is at 5. 5 means 5 5 the 25. So time is read as 8 hours, 20 minutes, 25 seconds. Clear? In part C, this clock is given. Our hour hand is between 9 and 10. Okay, minute hand is at 2. 2 means 2 5 the 10. Second hand is at 5. 5 means 5 5 the 25. So time is read as 9 hours, 10 minutes, 25 seconds. Clear? Now beta, in exercise 1A, we will solve part D in math book. Part D. See here in part D, beta, this clock is given. Okay. And here in this given clock, time is also written. Our hour hand is at 11. Minute hand is at 3. 3 means 3 5 the 15. And our second hand is between 12 and 1. Okay. At the second division point. Okay, so time is read as 11 hours 15 minutes 2 seconds. Okay, in part E, here our R end is between 12 and 1. Okay, R एंड हमारा 12 और 1 के बीच में है. मिनट एंड इज एट 8. 8 मीन्स 8 5 40. Okay, 40 minutes. Then our second hand is between 10 and 11 at the fourth division point. So time is read as 12 hours 40 minutes 54 seconds. Clear बेटा? Understood? 54 कैसे आया आपका? आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. बेटा अगर आपका सेकेंड हैंड 10 पर होता, 10 5 द 50. ओके देन हम क्या लिखते सेकेंड का टाइम? 50 seconds. ओके बट आर सेकेंड हैंड, हमारा सेकेंड हैंड कहां पर है? 10 और 11 के बीच में एट दी फोर्थ डिवीजन पॉइंट. तो आप 50 के आगे 4 डिवीजन पॉइंट और काउंट कर लोगे. ओके 51 52 53 54. So second time is 54. So how will you read this time? 12 hours 40 minutes 54 seconds. Clear? See here in part F beta, this clock is given. Our hour hand is between 4 and 5. Minute hand is at 2. 2 means 2 5 the 10. Second hand is at 3. 3 means 3 5 the 15. So time is read as 4 hours 10 minutes 15 seconds. Clear? Now beta in exercise 1A, we will solve part G in maths book. Part G. See here in this clock, our hour hand is between 10 and 11. Minute hand is at 8. 8 means 8 5 the 40. Okay, minute time is 40. Second hand is at 3. 3 means 3 5 the 15. Okay, so time is read as 10 hours 40 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, see here in this clock in part H, our hour hand is between 9 and 10. Minute hand is at 4. 4 means 4 5 the 20. Okay, minute time is 20. Second hand is at 12. So 12 means beta be careful. Here second time हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 0 0. Why? Because our second hand covers 60 small divisions in 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here our second hand is at 12. 12 5 the 60. तो हमारा जो सेकंड हैंड है ना, उसने 60 स्मॉल डिविजन्स कवर कर लिए 1 मिनट में. ओके, सो टाइम इज रेड एज 9 hours 20 minutes 00 seconds. क्लियर बेटा? अंडरस्टूड? Now, in exercise 1A, question number 2, indicate the time. Here, position of hour hand is written. Here, position of minute hand is written. And here, time is written. Okay, beta, see in part A, at 3. What does it mean? बेटा पार्ट ए में आपको ये पूछा गया है कि अगर आर एंड की पोजीशन 3 पर हो, ओके, और मिनट एंड 12 पर हो, सो व्हाट विल बी द टाइम? तो टाइम क्या होगा? यू हैव टू टेल. ओके बेटा, व्हेन द टाइम इज फुल मीन्स कंप्लीट आवर्स, द मिनट हैंड इज एट 12. तो आप टाइम को कैसे रीड करोगे? वी विल रीड द टाइम, सी, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्लॉक. इस क्लॉक की हेल्प से मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि अगर आपका इफ योर आर हैंड इज एट 3 एंड मिनट हैंड इज एट 12, सो हाउ विल यू राइट और रीड दी टाइम? आप टाइम को कैसे लिखोगे और कैसे पढ़ोगे? सी हियर, आर एंड इज एट 3. हमारा आर एंड 3 पर है. मिनट एंड इज एट 12. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू रीड दी टाइम? टाइम इज रेड एज 3 o'clock. 3 मीन्स कितने बजे हैं? 3 बजे. क्लियर बेटा? इन दिस वे, इन दिस गिवन क्वेश्चन, आपको टाइम को इंडिकेट करना है. क्लियर? एक्सरसाइज 1A. Here, position of hour hand is written. Position of minute hand is written. Here, time is written. Okay. See, in part B. Part B में देखो बेटा, बिटवीन 2 and 3, अगर आपका आर एंड 2 और 3 के बीच में है, ओके, एंड पोजीशन ऑफ मिनट हैंड इज एट 4, ओके, देन व्हाट विल बी द टाइम? तो टाइम क्या होगा? ओके, सी हियर, with the help of this clock I will teach you. Our R hand is between 2 and 3. Okay, see, R hand is between 2 and 3. Okay, and minute hand is at 4. Minute hand आपका क्या है? 4 पर है. 4 means 4 5 the 20. Okay, so time is read as 2:20. 2 बजकर 20. We will write here 2:20. Clear? Exercise 1A. Here, position of hour hand is written, position of minute hand is written, and here time is written. Okay. See, in part C, between 12 and 1, if our hand is between 12 and 1, minute hand is at 8, then what will be the time? तो time क्या होगा बेटा? With the help of this given clock, I will teach you. Our hour hand is between 12 and 1. Okay. And minute hand is at 8. Clear? So 8 means 8 5 the 40. Time is read as 12:40. 12 बजकर 40 minutes. Clear? You have to write here 12. Exercise 1A. Position of hour hand is written. Position of minute hand is written. And here time is written. Part D, between 10 and 11. Between 3 and 4 at the third division point. Okay, be careful. हमारा R and 3 और 11 के बीच में है. ओके, और मिनट हैंड 3 और 4 के बीच में है. और कहां पर है? 3 और 4 के थर्ड डिवीजन पॉइंट पर. ओके बेटा, सो with the help of this given clock I will teach you. मैं अब आपको इस क्लॉक की हेल्प से सिखाऊंगी कि जब आपका आर हैंड इज बिटवीन 10 and 11. ओके, जब आपका आर हैंड 10 और 11 के बीच में होता है और मिनट हैंड आपका 3 और 4 एट द थर्ड डिवीजन पॉइंट पर होता है, देन व्हाट विल बी दी टाइम. तो क्या टाइम होगा? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ हियर R hand between 10 and 11. Okay, and minute hand between 3 and 4 at the third division point. Okay, so time is read as 10 hours 18 minutes. Why? बेटा, अगर आपका मिनट हैंड 3 पर होता तो आप उसको कैसे रीड करते? 3 5 द 15 minutes. But here our minute hand is between 3 and 4 at the third division point. तो आप 15 से 3 पॉइंट और आगे रीड करोगे टाइम को. 15 से आगे 3 पॉइंट आगे रीड करोगे तो कैसे रीड करोगे? हाउ विल यू रीड इट? 15 then 16. One first point 16, second point you will read as 17, third point you will read as 18. Okay, so time is read as 10:18. Clear? Now beta, today's homework is, हमारा आज का होमवर्क है, see, exercise 1A, question 2, indicate the time. You have to do exercise 1A, question 2, indicate the time in your maths book. Okay, see here in question number 2, what is written? Position of hour hand, position of minute hand, and time. Okay, you have to solve part E. Here in part E, position of hour hand is between 1 and 2, and position of minute hand is between 5 and 6 at the second division point. Then you have to write time here in this blank. Clear beta? In part F, position of hour hand is between 11 and 12, and position of minute hand is between 9 and 10 at the first division point. Okay, then you have to write time here in this blank. Okay, you have to do homework carefully. Clear? Now beta, we will discuss homework solution which I had assigned in the previous lecture. That was question 2, fill in the blanks. Part A, 15 minutes past 8 dash. Okay, how will you write this given time in another way? दूसरे वे में आप इस टाइम को कैसे लिखोगे बेटा? 8:15. Correct answer is 8:15. You have to write 8:15 here in this blank. Have you cross-checked beta? Good. In part B, 30 minutes past 6 dash. Here given time is 30 minutes past 6. इसको आप दूसरे वे में कैसे लिखोगे? How will you write this given time in another way? 6:30. Okay, so you have to write 6:30 here in this blank. In part C, 50 minutes past 2. 50 minutes past 2 को हम लिखेंगे बेटा here in this blank 2:50. Okay, you have to cross check. As I have assigned this question to fill in the blanks of let's rewind page 3 in homework. Okay, you have to cross check as you have already done this work. Part D, 25 minutes past 11 dash. Okay, part D में बेटा 25 minutes past 11 को आप दूसरे वे में कैसे लिखोगे? 11:25. So you have to write 11:25 here in this. Now beta, in homework solutions we will discuss part E. Okay, see here in part E, 12 o'clock in the night is dash. 12 o'clock in the night, बेटा इस 12 o'clock in the night time को हम दूसरे किस वे में लिख सकते हैं? We can write like this, 12 midnight or 0000. Clear beta? In part F, 12 o'clock in the day time is dash. How will we write 12 o'clock in the daytime in another way? We can write like this, 12 noon. Okay, आप यहाँ पर in the blank you will write 12 noon. Okay, see here in part G, I go to school at 7:50 dash. मैं स्कूल 7:50 पर जाता हूँ. Okay, then you can write this given time 7:50 in another way like 50 minutes past 7. जिन बच्चों ने ये लिखा है 50 minutes past 7, that is correct. Okay, in another way you can write like this also, AM. आप स्कूल मॉर्निंग में जाते हो ना बेटा? फॉर मॉर्निंग वी राइट AM. AM means anti-meridian. Okay, AM is also correct. Those who have written 50 minutes past 7, that is also correct. Okay, you can write AM also. Okay, now in part H, I go to bed at 10:15 dash. मैं बेड पर 10:15 पर जाता हूँ. Okay, 10:15 you can write this time in another way, 15 minutes past 10. Okay, students, those who have written like this 15 minutes past 10, that is correct. In another way you can write like this also, PM. PM means post meridian. Okay, क्योंकि बेटा आप रात को 10:15 पे बेड पे जाते हो फॉर नाइट, वी राइट PM. रात के लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं? PM. Clear? Part I. How many hours are there in 7 days? Dash. आपको ये बताना है कि 7 days में कितने घंटे होते हैं. As you know beta, our answer is 1 day equal to 24 hours. ओके एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं और आपको कितने दिनों में घंटे बताने हैं? 7 days में. Then you have to multiply this 7 by 24. You have to write here 7 days equal to 24 multiply by 7. Okay, see 7 days equal to 24 multiply by 7 days equal to, we will multiply here 24 multiply by 7. हम यहाँ पर multiply करेंगे. 7 for the 28. We will write 8 here. Carry 2 here above 2. Okay. 7 to the 14 plus 2 16. We will write 16 here. Our answer is 168 hours. Okay. हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? 168 hours. Our answer is 168 hours. Okay, then there are 168 hours in 7 days. We will write 168 hours here in this blank. Understood, beta? Have you cross-checked? Now, beta, in homework solutions, we will discuss part J. How many minutes make 1 hour? Dash. कितने मिनट मिलकर 1 घंटा बनाते हैं? So you have to tell how many minutes are there in 1 hour. As I told you earlier, beta, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We will write 60 here in this blank. Clear? In part K, how many seconds make 1 minute? Dash. पार्ट के में आपको ये बताना है कितने सेकंड मिलकर 1 मिनट बनाते हैं. मीन्स इन अनदर वे वी कैन से दैट कि 1 मिनट में कितने सेकंड होते हैं. ओके, हाउ मेनी सेकंड्स आर देयर इन 1 मिनट? आंसर इज 60 seconds. So we will write 60 seconds here in this blank. You all have cross-checked, beta? Very good. Thank you.